Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to print the traceback of the program without exiting the exception of a program. So let's get started. So what I've done is I've simply created a try except clause in Python, and in my try, I'm trying to cause an exception that is performing a division by a number 0. So what I'm doing is I'm printing and I'm trying to divide 5 by 0, which does not work in Python. Hence, I will get an exception. And as you can see, I'm printing the exception, and you can see the error shown on the message window is integer division or modulo by 0. But now we want to know the exact traceback of the error, and let's see how to do that. So first thing is we need to import a library called traceback, or I like to call it as a module. And now instead of printing the exception, all you need to do is print traceback dot. It has a function called as format underscore exc, and that's it. And as you can see, now the complete traceback error is visible for me, which says the error at which the line was caused, as well as the error name and the explanation to why the error was caused. Thus, this process can be simply done using the traceback library. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.